Hey G-Squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we have this cool animation here, and pretty much what this is an AirTag. If you guys see my previous video, I actually reviewed this before, and I show you guys how to set it up and everything. This time I want to do an update video to talk about how it's been working. I think it's almost been 1 year since I got this product to now, and it's been working really well. So well to the point that I actually purchased a few more to use for a lot more stuff. But just to give you guys an idea of where I put it or how I use it, I put this in my luggage, I put this in the car. I even give some of these to my family member to put it into the wallet or something. So that way if they ever walk away and I need to find them, I will know where they are. So you can see right here I do have the 4-pack, but they do have the option for you guys to buy one. If you guys buy one, it's literally the same exact thing. So if you guys want my honest opinion, I do have to say that it is better for you guys to get the 4-pack because it's a better deal. And getting the 4-pack allow you guys to use it for multiple things. If you guys do have like multiple luggages, cars, or whatever. For this one that I got right here is not customized, but if you guys purchase from the actual Apple brand, you do have the option to customize it if you guys want to. Just like what you can see right here. I customized this one to be a little dog, but they have a lot of other options available as well. So you definitely want to do your own research to see which you prefer. But whether if you guys get the normal one or the customized option, all of them work the same way. So here is this side, and then here is our side. And literally all you need to do is pull this part out. And once you guys pull it out, if you guys heard that little noise, that means it's ready for you guys to connect it. If you guys are curious about how to replace the battery, it's actually very easy. Literally all you need to do is just twist it. Once you guys do twist it, this is what the inside looks like. So if you guys ever need to replace the battery, you guys take it out to replace it. Once you guys replace it, you guys can put it back together and lock it in. So very easy and very simple for us to use it. Now I'm going to show you guys what it actually looks like on the app, since I already have this all connected. So once you guys do go on the app, here's what it actually looks like on the app. So that blue dot is me. And that thing that's moving is the luggage. So the AirTag that I do have, I put it inside my luggage to keep track of where it is. And the cool thing about the product is the fact that when you guys do connect it, you do have the option to name each different device. And it does give you guys a little icon for each one when you guys do select it. So that way you guys know what you're tracking for each different device. And you see right here, when we go to the rename page, it gives you guys all these different options available, which is pretty cool. But you see on here, they do give you guys all these different options available. So you do have the play sound option or find nearby. If you guys can find nearby, it shows you guys how far the product is and which direction to go when you guys do use it. So it's currently around 27 feet away. If you guys do play the sound, I'm not sure if I can hear it, but it is in the other room. Let me bring it over to show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so here is the AirTag that I use for my luggage. And you see how it does have the heart emoji. And here's our side. So I do have a case for this AirTag if you can see right here. So if you guys are interested, feel free to go check it out. But you can see on the application right here when you guys do use it, it does show you guys where it is and how far it is. Let me see how when I move it away, it shows you guys how far it is. If you guys do play the sound, that is what the sound sounds like when you guys do use it. If you guys do have an AirTag at far distance, it will show you guys where to go. If you can see how we move this direction, the air pops up. And it leads you to where it is, which is on this side. And when you guys do turn it, it tells you guys which direction to go, which is pretty cool. So that is one of the benefits of using this product when you guys do use it. One thing to know about the product is that when it is moving, it's a little bit hard to find it, especially if you guys use this feature. So if I do move it, let me show you what I mean. So you can see how when I move it, it pops up this error message right here. So it takes some time for it to reload and find the device. So you can see how it started reloading and start looking for the device for you. So this is probably the only issue about the product when you guys use it. It will take some time to reload it to find where the device is when it is moving. Even at the slightest movement, it does pop up the error message if you can see. But once you guys find it, you can go back. And then this is what the product looks like on the phone when you guys do use it. So you do have all the different options available, even in lost mode if you guys want to use that. A lot of other trackers when you guys use it, it only shows you guys where it's at on the map, but doesn't show you guys which direction to go. So let's say for example, if I'm in a building, if it shows this inside this building, I would have to go through every single floor just to look for it if I don't know where it is. Compared to if you guys use an AirTag, it shows you guys exactly where it is and it shows you guys the arrow to point which way to go. So that is definitely one of the benefits of using AirTag compared to any other tracker device. It's very efficient and give you guys the best result when you guys do use it. So whether if you guys want to track your car, your luggages, or anything else, that is totally up to you guys. So after using it for almost 1 year, I still have to say that it is worth it. And it's easily still the best tracking device out there in the market today. There's nothing like it and nothing compared to it in terms of the best result you can get to show you guys exactly what you guys want to look for and where it is when you guys maybe are traveling, when you guys are driving a car, and anything else. So I do have to say that it is still pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.